Here Jan again. The next stage in the LYNX journey of the project manager is planning your project. In this video you're going to learn how to enter a work breakdown structure in LYNX and to create dependencies between tasks. Planning your project is probably your only option to run your project for a second time. The first time as a thought experiment, as a planning, and a second time for real. Planning your project in LYNX follows the structured steps of Prince2, ITMA and Pinball Guide planning. And it starts with creating your work breakdown structure, entering dependencies, filling in estimates, assigning skills and resources, and evaluating and finalizing the schedule. And we kick off by a simple work breakdown structure of a house project. The project manager broke it down in 3 main deliverables: foundation, external construction and internal construction, each built up from several products and sub-products and activities. So let's get started. Okay, let's assume you are the project manager of the house construction project you've created last time, and you've built a work breakdown structure for this project. A work breakdown structure like this. At the top, there is the name of the project, house construction. At the second level, there are 3 deliverables: the foundation of the project, the foundation of the house, the external construction and the internal construction. At the layer lower, there are products that builds those deliverables: excavation, steel erection, masonry work, building finishes, electrical and plumbing. And each of those products are built from sub-products or activities to create a product. And this work breakdown structure, that is what we are going to enter. First, we go to the project portfolio and we double click on the house construction project. There are no tasks yet, so that is what we are going to enter. There are several ways. First, we can click here and add the house construction project. There are several ways. We can add a new task by clicking the Insert Task button on the screen. The first task, the first deliverable is foundation. We can also press the Insert key on the keyboard. And we can press the arrow down key also on the keyboard. The foundation, external construction and internal construction are deliverables. And I select them by also pressing the Shift key. And to make it deliverables, I just indent the task by the Indent Task button. The house construction project is now changed to a summary task. And there is a sign that you can collapse, and there is a sign that you can expand. Now we are going to enter new tasks for the foundation, the products of this of the foundation, by pressing the Insert Task button twice. Again, I select them by pressing the Shift key and selecting them and indenting the task again. Now also the foundation task is changed to a summary task. I go to the external construction. I add 2 sub-products to it. I select them, indent them. I go to the internal construction. Again, I add 2 products and plumbing. And also these are sub-products of the internal construction. Now we have the top level of the work breakdown structure, and right now I'm going to enter the tasks or the activities to create those products. I select the 3 new created tasks, also indent,
Go to the steel erection. I add 3 tasks beneath. The same for the masonry work. I go from the one task to the other task by using the arrow down key. I select them, I press the shift key while selecting the tasks. Okay, there are 4 tasks in the building finishes. I select this one, it is now not in the right order. I just press the move task upward and now they are in the right order again. I select them by pressing the shift key and indenting. I add a couple of tasks right now. Heat, ventilation and air conditioning equipment. These are also the lower level products or activities. I add a final task or a milestone. Hand over key to customer. These tasks are a subtask. Oh, all the typos, fix the typos. And this is the work breakdown structure of your project. The next step is entering the dependencies between tasks. Select one of the tasks, press the control key, select another task, add the dependency between the tasks. Do it one more time, select the task, press the control key and add the dependency. There are different types of dependencies. In this exercise we just do the finish to start dependencies, but just let's keep it simple. Finish to start. By pressing this, selecting a task and pressing the shift key, you can select more than one task. Again, I can add the dependencies between the tasks. If you want to change the order of the dependencies, then you have to select it in the schedule itself. And if you want to delete the dependencies also again, you can do that in the task properties window on the dependencies tab, and you see the different tabs over here. You see the predecessor relationship and you see the successor relationship, and you can delete them both for this task. Select them again by pressing the shift key, adding the tasks, scrolling down. I keep it simple. I can have work done in parallel. Then we go to the electrical. What happens now is that the time scale is not right, so we do auto scale time bar, and the entire project is now again back on one screen. So we finalize the dependencies. Again, the time scale is not handy. Now we have a project created. You see the color of the tasks is either red or blue. The red tasks are the task in the critical chain. You can select the critical chain in the critical chain view. And now a couple of tasks are missing, and those tasks are the tasks not on the critical chain. The steel erection tasks are apparently not on the critical chain at the moment. Just save the project and now it's available for later.
If you have questions or you want to know how to create a work breakdown structure yourself, just let us know. The next stage in the LYNX journey of the project manager is entering estimates. And this already gives you a first glimpse of your final schedule. See you in the next video.